This is a flow cytometer instrument. What is the flow cytometer? Is an instrument with laser from 1 to 5 laser. This instrument has only one laser, but there are like this instrument with more laser, and we use laser just to specify or to hit a single cell, to see the physical and the chemist specification of the cell. So there are some parameters from the instrument, from the software. The parameters help us to define the cell, if it's a big cell or small cell, if there is granularity inside the cell or not. And also we can distinguish the receptor of the cell. With the help of the receptors, we can distinguish if the cell is T cell, B cell, NK cell, myeloid cell, normal cell or not normal cell. Okay. Let's say the heart of the system is the flow cell. The flow cell is a very thin diode that from this diode coming the cells one by one. So the laser hit the cell one by one, and then with the help of the software we collect some informations, and this information help the doctors, the medical doctors, the hematologists, immunologists, etc., to define if a situation is normal or not normal. And in cases of leukemia or lymphoma, the time is, let's say, very urgent, okay, for the therapy. Now, I don't know what to say again.
Maybe just to explain shortly how it works, this type.
Yes, there is, let's say, our work, flow cytometer work, is divided in two places. One in the table, the work in the table, and the work in the instrument. The work in the table must prepare the samples with the reagents, incubation, washing, etc., etc. And after the preparing the sample, we must analyze the samples in the instrument. Now, the user must know very well what kind of antibodies using, the right fluorochromes, the right color, the right fluorochromes, because if you don't know the right fluorochromes, you don't have the right results there. And you created, of course, the software, the panel, and after the running, you collect the statistics, and the doctor evaluate the statistics, the results. And if it's okay, goes further, otherwise you must go for therapy.